Hello everyone, welcome to Bank. Over here we are solving a problem on data sufficiency where a question is being asked as to what is the average of x, y and z. This question is followed by two statements. So statement number 1 says that 2x plus y plus 4z equals to 23. And statement number 2 says that 3x plus 4y plus z equals to 22. And then these 5 options are given to you. You need to read them very carefully. Pause the video. Have a look at these options. Sometimes in banking examinations, you might have 4 options or you might have 5 options. In case of 4 options, option A and option B are clubbed. Do we have the understanding? Now, if I need to find out what is the average of x, y and z, what do I need to find out? I need to find out x plus y plus z over 3 is the average. And how do I get the sum? Sum of x plus y plus z is this. So if you're able to find out sum, you can very easily find out what is the average. Is it not? Now my question to you is, can we find out x plus y plus z by using this statement alone? Because in order to find out the sum of x, y and z, the coefficients of x, y and z must be same. Over here in statement number 1, the coefficient of x is 2, the coefficient of x is 1 and the coefficient of z is 4, and they are not same. If they are not same, we cannot find out what is the sum. And that also is applicable to option number 2 as well. Statement number 2, that is applicable to statement number 2 as well, because the coefficients of x, y and z are not same. Had they been same, yes, we would have gotten our answer. Hence, can we eliminate these two options? Option A says that statement number 1 alone is sufficient. That is not the case. And statement number 2 is also not sufficient. And I would also like you to appreciate that the moment option A and option B are cancelled, option D is automatically cancelled. Isn't it? Because D says that each statement alone is sufficient. Neither 1 is sufficient nor 2 is sufficient. And hence we are left with C and E only. C says that if we use these two statements together, we can find out the answer. And E says that even after using two statements together, we would not be able to find the answer. Is it okay? Now let us try to use statement number 1 and 2 together. So what I am going to do, I am trying to find out the sum of 1 and 2. Can you appreciate that sum would become 5x plus 5y plus 5c equals to 55, and hence the sum of x, y and z comes out as 11. The moment we have found out the sum, can we find out the average? The average is x plus y plus z over 3, and this answer is nothing but 11 over 3. And hence we can find out what is going to be the average of x, y and z by using these two statements together. I hope you are getting it. In case of any doubt, any query, please write us at faculty@mockbank.com. I'll see you in some other video. Bye bye and take care.